Ali, Lisa.
Hi, hello, Alicia.
Hello, Alisa.
Ali.
Hello, Ali.
Happy birthday, Alisa.
Happy 18th birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday.
Dumating na ang pangalawang yugto ng iyong buhay bilang pagdadalaga.
More birthdays to come.
May you have many more blessed years to come.
At sana'y marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo.
Wish you all the best. May you have a great time today.
I hope you have a nice time.
I hope you enjoy this day.
Now that you're a young lady,
Ngayon ay isa ka ng ganap na dalaga.
Nawa ay gabayan ka ng Panginoon at maging mabuti kang anak
lumaki kang mabait na bata.
at maging mabuti kang anak ni Kristo.
I wish your dreams come true.
Makanta mo ang mga mitiin mo sa iyong buhay.
And find happiness in everything you do.
Sana umuwi ka rito na lang mag-birthday.
Nawa
Ipagpatuloy mo ang iyong kabaitan.
ay patnubayan ka ng kuong may kapal sa araw-araw ng iyong buhay.
Yeah.
God bless you.
And I love you, Kat.
Love you.
Marami rin naman siyang kamag-anak doon.
Si Boy, si Nenet, at saka yung mga bata dyan, mga kapatid mo.
In behalf of my family,
God bless.
your tita, si Ate Len,
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ulit.
si Ate Lay at Kuya Jimmy at yung tatlong bata.
Ami, you sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Si Hans, si Kurt, at si Lana, at siyempre si Bunsoy, si Kuya Darwin.
Totoo yun, sinabi ko.
Just wish you all the best. God bless you all.
I'm just around if you need a friend or if you need a buddy. Well, just call me, alright?
Remember that we are always here for you.
Ay bumabati sa iyo ng isang maligayang karawan.
Again, happy birthday.
God bless you and
Hope to see you soon.
happy birthday to you.
Oh, okay na.